Hi there YouTube viewers. I'm gonna show you on how to fix, especially for mod PSPs, the gray screen problem. You know, like the home button problem. Every time I'm trying to play, especially this one game, I always get this error, like the gray screen that keeps coming up. You know, like it just keeps popping up. Come on. What I did was simply just putting a UMD disk into a PSP, and load the game. That way your system will think it's a game actually inside there, when really it's not. It's just your game on your memory card. It's just to really trick the system. Please subscribe, tell me what you think, and please don't use obscene. Thank you.